Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhpr.com or call 541-884-1343. Move-in ready condition. This updated home has a very functional floor plan. The main floor has a country kitchen with a large pantry, formal dining, family room with a fireplace, updated full bath and utility room. The master bedroom has a bonus room for an office or hobbies walk-in closet and a lovely updated bathroom. The other bedrooms are a nice size with large closets. Metal, vinyl windows, attached garage, large front porch and a slider-off RTHW dining room leads to the back deck. Fully set up for a hobby farm, fenced pastures, barn, hay equipment storage, small animal pens, chicken coop, 16x24 greenhouse to extend the growing season. Set well back off the road, this is a quiet location just minutes to town.